you are in the market for vinyl wrapping your own car, then this video is for you, as we're going to talk about the essential tools we needed. Starting from left to right, we have the auto trim removal kit. You are going to disassemble your car a lot, so this is necessary. Next up, you're going to need to clean your car and prep it, which is why we have a bunch of clay bars here. You may as well buy in bulk. Knifeless tape, we have wrap cut here. Make sure you get the big bulk of this too, because you will use a lot of this. Next is squeegees, as you have burnt out ones that I use that I know I'm going to damage, to clean soft felt ones, to wet application ones, dry application ones. So next up is gloves. I pretty much use this for 80% of my wrap, so make sure you don't cheap out on that. Get yourself a good blade. That's a dirty blade, but this is why you buy the big pack. Next up are these tucking tools. Super helpful, all types, from flexible ones to really hard, stiff ones. So lastly, you will need heat gun, guys.